The spooky season is here. In today's video, first up we have the IT Crocs, and maybe also known as the Pennywise. It is really dope when a brand just totally kills a collaboration, and you gotta say, with this box, with the details that we have there with Pennywise and the red balloon with the yellow jacket. What was the kid's name? Was it Ralphie? I don't know. That's either right or totally wrong. I can't think of it off the top of my head. Somebody's gonna comment it. That might be right. I don't think that's right. But anyways, we're talking about Crocs today. And man, this pair is executed perfectly. Talk about the details and a perfectly executed pair of Crocs. Now, most noticeable first thing that I notice off the top of my head here is the balloon that reads "You'll float too," which is of course from the movie. We also have a loser's quote. Inside the right Croc, we do get Pennywise holding the balloon there. And he is a clown, but he's actually a monster. If you haven't watched the movie, I didn't give too much away there. So we do have a clown nose there on the strap of the all-terrain Croc. And moving to the left one, we also have that exact same clown nose there, which I think is a really good touch. I don't think that I prefer for the clown nose to be there on the heel strap instead of, as exhibits, on the toe. Now on this one, we also actually get the man himself, or the monster himself, Pennywise. I heart dairy, and this thorn-like, that's what it is. It's Georgie. At first I was about to say, what is this horn-like thing? I had no idea. But then it all just came back to me. It's Georgie, and this right here is not a paper airplane, but like a paper boat. And I can't give too much away. If you've seen the movie, you know how that ends. Stay away from the drains. Might have gave away too much right there, but I kind of got off topic there. But if I spin it around, you see it. The quote itself. There's Georgie. And no, I'm not going to do it. I'm not looking at the camera and acting like Pennywise saying Georgie. So I know you wanted it, but it's not going to happen. But man, these are absolutely right on point. And the inside of the left Croc is, of course, I guess this one's for It 2, Chapter 2. Because that's exactly, what we get there. But for the character itself, an all-white Croc with the blood-like details, with the balloon. We got the paper boat from Georgie, the clown nose on the heel of the all-terrain Crocs. Crocs, once again, hit a home run on these. But let us know down below in the comments, what are your thoughts on this? And are these going to be a cop or a drop? And if you like these videos, we have the Freddy Krueger coming. We have the Jasons coming. So be sure to subscribe, enable post notifications for every single time we upload new content here at Sneaker Huddle. And thank you so much for tuning in to another video. We hope you enjoyed this one. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the very next video.